In class 3rd, you have studied different parts of a plant body. All these parts of a plant body can be grouped into following system. Yes, plants have two systems, the root system and the shoot system. The root system below the ground and the shoot system which is above ground. The root system absorbs water with nutrients from the soil and also serves to anchor the plant. Yes, the root system, all of you see the plant very carefully and you find that the root system is present below the soil. The root system provides anchorage to the plant so that it can stand upright on the soil. And the shoot system, which is made up of stem bearing leaves, branches, flower and fruits. Because shoot system bearing leaves, branches, flower and fruits, so the shoot system is also considered as the kitchen of the plant, because the kitchen that is considered as leaves is present in the shoot system. This is a picture that showing parts of a plant. In this picture, all of you see that there is a root that is in brown color. The root is present under the soil, and above the root there is a green color stem that is considered as shoot system. And the shoot system, as I told earlier, the shoot system bear stem, fruits, flower and leaves. Bud is also present in the shoot system. So the parts of a plant consist mainly two systems, root system and the shoot system. Shoot system above the soil and root system below the soil. The second one is the root system. The root of a plant lie inside the ground, and there are two types of root system present in the plant. The root system that is present in the plant is called tap root and fibrous root. As you see in the figure, these are the two types of root system, tap root and the fibrous root. Yes, now the question arises in your mind, what is tap root and what is fibrous root? As you will find that there is a plant called mustard or gram plant. In this plant you will find tap root. Tap root you will find in mustard and gram plant. Yes, and what is tap root? I will discuss it. Tap root is a type of root where there is a main root that bear branches on its sides. The main root is called primary root. Here you see there is a main root that bear branches on its sides, and the main root is called primary root, and the branches on the sides of the main root is called secondary root. The branches on the side of the main root is called secondary root. Yes, and the secondary root also bears some of the smaller branches. As you see carefully, the secondary root also bears some of the smaller branches. These branches are called tertiary root. Yes, so three types of root present in the tap root, as you find this type of root in mustard or gram plant. The main root, that is called primary root, then secondary root and then tertiary root. This type of root system is called tap root system. Now there is one another root that is I told earlier, that is called fibrous root. You see in the picture the another root, this is called fibrous root. The fibrous root you see in grass plant or onion plant, where there is a cluster of root. Whenever you go to near the ground and you pull out the root from the soil, you see the cluster of root that present in the cluster form. This type of root is called fibrous root. All the root arises from one places like a bunch. They are more or less similar in size, form and number. This type of root is called fibrous root, and you will see this type of root in grasses, maize, onion. So these are the two types of root, tap root and the fibrous root. Tap root you will notice in gram plant, mustard, and fibrous root you will notice in which plant that I have told, onion plant or grass plant. The root supports the plant. The roots, the main function of the root is absorption. Yes student, the root absorb water and mineral from the soil, and this water and minerals goes up above the top of the plant by the shoot system. Yes, so both shoot system and the root system combine together to keep upright to the plant, so that the plant will take water and mineral at the same time and it will bear branches, fruit, flower. So plants will stay alive. That is the combination of the root system and shoot system. These are all about the parts of the plant.